So let's talk about term insurance. Welcome to another video of Bosswala English YouTube channel. My name is Akshara. Do you know that a small decision taken today can decide whether your family lives with dignity or struggles for survival tomorrow? Most people think insurance is about money, but it's not. Insurance is about time, insurance is about income, and insurance is about what happens when you are not there. If your income stops the day you stop breathing, your family is one emergency away from collapse. And that is why term insurance exists. Why Indians buy the wrong insurance? Because Indians are emotional buyers. We don't buy logically. We buy fear, we buy hope, we buy promises. When someone talks about insurance, we don't ask the right question. We ask, how much will I get back? That one question destroys financial security. Because the moment you ask about returns, insurance becomes a product, not protection. Agents love this question. Banks wait for this question because now they can sell you anything. What insurance is actually meant for? Insurance is not meant to make you rich. Insurance is meant to stop your family from becoming poor. That's it. No drama, no guarantee, no bonus. If you are alive, insurance should feel useless. Just like a helmet. If you never fall, the helmet did its job. Term insurance works the same way. What is term insurance in simple words? Term insurance is pure protection. You pay a small amount every month. In return, your family gets a large amount of money if something happens to you. There is no maturity benefit, there is no bonus, there is no return promise. There is only safety. That is why it is cheap. That is why it is powerful, and that is why it is ignored. Why is term insurance so cheap? Because it doesn't mix savings. It doesn't show fake growth. It doesn't promise profits. You are paying only for risk. And risk is unpredictable. That's why companies charge less when you are young and punish you when you delay. Why age matters so much? At 25 years old, 1 crore term cover can cost you less than 500 rupees per month. At 35, the same cover can cost double. And at 45, it becomes expensive. Delay is not smart. Delay is costly. Every year you wait, your premium goes up and your protection goes down. The biggest lie about term insurance is when people say term insurance is waste of money. Let me ask you something. Is car insurance a waste if you don't meet an accident? Is phone insurance a waste if your phone doesn't break? No. It means nothing bad happened. The term insurance is exactly the same. If nothing happens to you, congratulations, you won in life. Why agents don't promote term insurance? Agents don't hate you, they love commission. Term insurance pays low commission. Money back policies pay very high commission. So what do you think they'll promote? The product that protects your family or the product that pays their EMI? That's the truth, guys. Income replacement is the real goal. Life insurance has only one job: to replace your income. Not your lifestyle, not your dreams, not your luxury. Your income. If you earn 10 lakh per year, your term cover should be at least 10 to 15 times than that. Because your family needs time to rebuild life. Time costs money. Why lying on the form is dangerous? Never lie on your insurance form. Never hide smoking, never hide drinking, never hide illness. A higher premium is acceptable, but claim rejection is not. So, your family should not fight insurance companies in court after losing you. Honesty saves lives and families. Buy smart, not emotional. Always buy term insurance online from reputed companies with high claim settlement ratio. Avoid pressure buying, avoid emotional selling, avoid relatives who say, "Take this, I'm telling you." Your family's future is not a favor. One simple rule to remember is insurance and investments are two different tools. Insurance is for risk, investment is for growth. Never mix them. Buy term insurance for protection, invest separately for wealth. This one rule can change your entire future. Term insurance will never excite you, but it will make you feel rich. It will never show profits, but it will give your family something priceless. Security, time, dignity. Don't buy term insurance because someone forced you. Buy it because someone depends on you. Think wisely, act early, and protect your future. Term insurance is not optional. It is a responsibility. That's it. So think wisely, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.